Hello, grade 2. In this spelling lesson, we will begin Unit 28 words with ER, IR, UR, and OR. Here's a list of words for this week. I want you to say the words out loud as I read through the list. Were, verse, serve, herself, further, turn, purple, Saturday, birthday, girls, third, first, word, color, world, doctor, walked, April, patience, dictionary. So this week's challenge words are patience and dictionary. Let's go over the meaning of these words. The word patience refers to those people who are sick or hurt and is being cared by someone like a doctor or a nurse. And a dictionary is a book that lists words in ABC order and tells you the meaning of the words as well as how to say the word and an example sentence. If you want to know the meaning of any of our spelling list words, you can look it up in the dictionary. For example, let's look up the word were in the dictionary. So this is our spelling dictionary, and you're going to go down and find section W, because the word were starts with W. And remember, dictionary is in ABC order. So we're going to keep going and going. W. W-A. We have to go to W-E. W-A, W-E. We're almost there. Were. So it shows you how to pronounce the word were, and it tells you the meaning. A form of be. So were is a form of be. Words like is, are, am, those words are all forms of be. And it also gives you an example sentence. Lee and Ming were best friends. So remember, were is a form of be, and think of this word as a past tense for the word are. So you can read the sentence, Lee and Ming are best friends. But it became Lee and Ming were best friends, meaning maybe they were best friends in the past, but they're not best friends anymore. You may have noticed that most of these words have R after a vowel. Do you remember what that is? They are called R-controlled vowels. And those are vowels that come before R. This R gives the vowel a special sound that's neither long nor short. So how are these R-controlled vowels different from a typical short and long vowel sounds? Last week we went over the R-controlled A and O vowels, like the words star and Lord. How are these words different from long and short A and O? The vowel A sound in the word star is not quite like the A sound in the words like apple or bag, and it's also not like the long A words like cake or may. Then what about the vowel O? The O sound in the word Lord is not quite like the short O sound in the words like ostrich or hop. And it's also not quite like the long O words like rose or snow. And these words have different sounds because they have R-controlled vowels. These R give the vowels a special sound. Think of R as the bossy R that changes the sound of the vowel before it. Let's look at some of the other words from our list this week. The word serve has an R-controlled vowel. The vowel E comes before the consonant R. Let's compare its sound to short E and long E sounds. The vowel E sound in the word serve is not quite like the short E in the words like egg or elephant. Egg or elephant. It's also not quite like the E sound in the long E words like eagle or tree. Eagle, tree. The word third has an R-controlled vowel. The vowel I comes before R. Let's compare its sound to short I and long I sounds. The vowel I sound in the word third is not quite like the short I sound in the words like insect or ostrich. Insect or ostrich. It is also not like the long I sounds in the words night or shine. Night, shine. The vowel U sound in the word turn is not quite like the short U sound in the words like umbrella or bug. It is also not like the long U sound in the words like music or cute. What are they called? They are called R-controlled vowels, also known as bossy R. Let's now move on to page 109 in our spelling work text. For page 109, numbers 1 through 3, you're going to write the ER or IR or UR words, and then you're going to circle the ER or the IR or the UR in those words. Once you are done, you're going to move on to numbers 4 and 5 and write the high frequency words that fits into these boxes. So your high frequency words are walked and April. Also, don't forget to write down your challenge words. Let's move on to page 110. For number 1, you're going to write the WOR words and circle the OR in each word. And one thing you want to keep in mind about WOR words is that the letters OR make the same sound as ER, IR, and UR when they come after the letter W. Let's see if that's true. What are the WOR words in this week's list? Do you see the WOR words? I see word, and I also see world. So the two WOR words are word and world. Do the letters OR make the same sound as ER and IR and UR, like I said on page 110? Let's see. Word. Does it make the same sound as the ER in the word were? I want you to listen carefully. Word, were. Word, were. They do make the same sound. What about the word world? Let's compare that to the word third. World, third. World, third. They make the same sound. World, third. World, third. Number 2, you're going to write the 2-syllable words that end with OR. Circle the OR in each word. For the 2-syllable words that have OR at the end, you want to keep this in mind. The letters OR make the same sound as ER, IR, and UR when they come at the end of the 2-syllable word. Let's look through our list and find the 2-syllable words with OR at the end. So we're going to have to look for 2-syllable words that ends with OR. Let's see which words have 2 syllables. Word, were, turn, girls, verse, color. The word color is two-syllable word. Does it end with OR? Yes, it does. Let's keep going. First, world. Third, serve, purple, doctor. Doctor is a two-syllable word. Does it end with OR? Yes, it does. Does the ending OR in both these words make the same sound as ER, IR, and UR? Let's see. Let's compare the ending sound in the word color, color, with the ER word verse. Verse, color. Verse, color. Do they make the same sound? They do. What about the word doctor? Doctor, doctor. Let's compare that with the word further. Doctor, further. And further has both UR and ER. Doctor, further. Doctor, further. Do they make the same sound? Yes, they do. So you can write down the words color and doctor. For numbers 3 through 7, you're going to write a list word that rhymes with the first two words in each row. Let's try number 3 together. Twirls and curls. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sound. Twirls, curls. So it has to have the same earl sound because these words both end with earls. Twirls, curls. Which of these words ends with earl sound? Earls. The correct answer is the word girls. Very good. So you can write down the word girls. Twirls, curls, girls. I want you to try the rest on your own. That's it for today. Bye, everyone.